Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to make AutoCAD dimension in inch. So as example, you can create the new files with AutoCAD ISO.dwt template, this template in millimeter. And if you want to change into inch, you can type DWG units, press enter, and then choose number 1 to change to inch. Press enter again until done. And after it, you can type units, press enter. You can use the length here to architectural. So it will be set into the inch option. Click OK. Like example, you can draw rectangles. And then you can use a dim line to create dimension linear. If you zoom in, it will be show in a decimal. So if you want to change again to inch, you can type D to go to the dimension style manager and then click modify, go to primary units tab, and then you can change for the unit formats to architectural. Click OK and then click close to set to inch. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tutorial how to make dimension in inch.